Girl, like, when am I? Look at this. Like, look at this. Girl, $20? You cannot beat this. And I got hair left over. Like, where are they doing this at? I can cash app somebody $20 right now. You got $20 laying around. Check your drawers, check your car, check the bottom of your purse. Let's save our coin, okay? Girl.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Okay, goodies, this one is for you. Okay, let's get into this $20 hairstyle. If you need something quick and affordable and cute, then this video is for you. All right, as you can see, this is a very beautiful defined wave. This is a deep wave and the curls hold up pretty well. I actually still have it in my hair. Okay, and the braiding hair that I'm going to be using is the 3-time pre-stretch. Is from Afrella. It's 54 inches, and this hair is so good, and it's also long, so I did cut it in half to do this style, and I used 2.5 bundles. I will link this for you guys as well. So it comes with 3 bundles, and yeah, so let's get started. I already have my hair section out, as you can see, and it's easy to do it this way because I can just part the hair down, brick stack the parts, and I'm good to go. I don't want this to be a long video, so I'm just going to show you guys a few braids and how I do the feed-ins and how I add the curly hair, and then we are just going to go ahead and breeze through this style and get it done. All right, so I am just going to feed in the braids. As you can see, I took the shorter end of the braiding hair, and I'm only going to be feeding in 3 pieces. As you can see, the short end right there, I'm just going to feed it into the braid, and then I'm going to take one more piece, and that's going to be the 3rd piece. Oh no, actually that was the 3rd piece. So I'm going to just add in the curly hair, and when I add that in, I'm going to make sure that once I braid the curly hair into the braid to give it, you know, a nice secure hold, I'm going to take a piece of that curly hair, or all of it, because I don't want to braid that. That's the part we're going to leave out. I'm going to just put that aside and just braid down. Here is the 2nd piece. I'm going to go ahead and feed that in. As you can see here, I'm going to braid it down a little bit to secure that hold, and then take the curly pieces out, put that aside, and continue the braid. It's that simple. And you guys, I am going to just only put 3 curly pieces per braid because I want it to be, you know, full but not so full. And this is the 3rd piece of curly hair. I'm just going to braid that in to the bottom, braid past the braiding hair, which is the straight hair, and this is what we're going to end up with, curly ends. And I will show you guys how I did that with this braid right here. So don't worry your little heads.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in.
Okay, so here's the 3rd piece I promised to show you. As you can see, I just braided it in, and I'm not going to do anything but just braid all the way down past the braiding hair. And then this is what we have. Very simple. Okay, goodies, you guys can do this. And if you can't, take your $20, buy this hair, and you can have, you know, somebody else do it. But we are finishing up this video. Okay, like I said, I didn't want it to be a long video, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this braid and get to the showcase. Okay.
You're the one I want and I love you. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet about myself.
All right, goodies, I am done. Okay, I just love me a middle part down, baby. Okay, this is so cute. As you can see, my parts are medium sized, and this did not take me long to do. All right, and remember, I only did 3 curly pieces per braid, and I love it. So this is the finished look. It is nice and full. I would do some styles for you guys, but it's kind of tight because I just finished my hair this morning. But you know, you can do a lot of things. My hair is tight, so I don't want to do any styles, but I just came on to show you guys. And as you can see, my braids, they're kind of small, you know. Girl, something happened with my audio, but I'm just showing you guys. Okay, she is flinging it. Look at this. It is so cute and flirty. Like, who don't want this for $20? I want to show you guys my outfit. You know, this is just a bodysuit. And then I have my black and gold Aldo sandals I'll be putting on with that. I got my Gucci bag here. All right, so girls, I'm about to go and enjoy my family on this beautiful 4th of July evening. I have some more videos coming up for you guys in the near future. I have some home decor stuff coming up. So just stick around, hit the subscribe button, make sure you like the video, share. Let's save the girls some money. So go ahead, share the video. If there's a hype button, I don't know, hype this video up because I'm sharing all the tea with y'all. All right, girls, so I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload another video. Make sure you like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts on this $20 hairstyle. Okay, yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm about to go enjoy my 4th of July evening with my family. I got my shades, feeling like Solange. Y'all know I think I look like Solange, right? I'll see y'all in my next video. But before I go, get into the hair. Like, get into it. Okay? Huh? No, I'm gonna edit. Huh?
No, don't put out the obvious, because then they'll realize.
Close the door.